Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai hoki mai waihape mai ki whakamiere. Welcome back to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Kaiaka Porohewa by Aesop. Before we dive into our kupu hou, we'd like to remind everyone about our brand new reo Māori stickers. They're free and available to everyone, so hang around at the end of the podcast to hear the details about how to get yours. We have two kupu hou. The first is Porohewa, as in the title. It means bald. Anei tētahi tauira. Kua porohewa te kōrero. The old man has become bald. Our second kupu is uru whakapīwari. It's actually two kupu, but together they mean wig. And it's pretty pīwari if you ask me, because uru is hair, and whakapīwari means to make you cute. So, hair to make you cute? Nā whai anō, it's a wig. Kia areare mai ngā taringa, listen out for these kupu in the kōrero. Kia hānā nā te noho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te Kaiaka Porohewa, nā Aesop. Ara tētahi kaiaka, te mau ai tētahi uru whakapīwari e hunaia ai tōna porohewatanga, ka aru I tētahi rangi. Nā te popo hau I rere atu ai tōna uru whakapīwari, nā wai ka kitea tōna porohewatanga. Ka puku kata ōna hoa katoa I te rere kē hoki o tōna āhua. Engari anō te pēpere kounei, kāore mārika I āritarita, ka kaha kē atu tāna puku kata. E hika e, tāna kupu. He aha e kore nei o tētahi atu makawe e noho mai ki tōku upoko, ki te koreke ōku anō makawe e noho nā. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, he take tō ngā mea katoa. The Bald Knight by Aesop. A certain knight who wore a wig to conceal his baldness was out hunting one day. A sudden gust of wind carried away his wig and showed his bald pate. His friends all laughed heartily at the odd figure he made, but the old fellow, so far from being put out, laughed as heartily as any of them. "Is it any wonder," said he, "that another man's hair shouldn't keep on my head when my own wouldn't stay there?" The moral being, every event has its reason. Ka nui rā te mihi ki a koe I whakarongo mai. Thank you for listening to Whakamiere. Our brand new stickers are available to anyone who supports us on Patreon. This includes free members as well, so it doesn't cost you a cent. If you do sign up to one of the paid tiers, you get your choice of stickers. We have 3 amazing designs, each in 2 different sizes, and you can check them out on Patreon and Instagram. This offer is valid for all current and new members until all the stickers are gone. So tell your friends and whānau. Join us next time for a new episode, and I'd like to mihi to our supporters on Patreon. It's thanks to them we're able to keep this podcast ad-free. If you have friends in whānau who might like the kaupapa, please share it with them as well. Check out Patreon for all the kōrero about subscriptions and how to join our whānau whakamiere, and follow us on Instagram for more kōrero. Ko Taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a koe nei e hoa mā.